Question number 1. How many days do we have in a week? 8 days, B, 7 days, C, 9 days, D, 12 days. Answer 7 days. Question number 2. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 8 color, B, 7 colors, C, 9 colors, D, 6 colors. Answer 7 colors. Question number 3. Which festival is known as Festival of Colors? A. Diwali, B. Holi, C. Onam, D. Pongal. Answer Holi. Question number 4. Which festival is called the Festival of Light? A. Diwali, B. Holi, C. Rakhi, D. Onam. Answer Diwali. Question number 5. How many hours do we have in a day? A. 22 hours, B. 20 hours, C. 24 hours, D. 15 hours. Answer 24 hours. Question number 6. Which color symbolizes peace? A. Red, B. Green, C. Orange, D. White. Answer white. Question number 7. How many weeks are there in a year? A. 58, B. 50, C. 59, D. 52. Answer 52. Question number 8. How many sides are there in a triangle? A. 6, B. 3, C. 5, D. 11. Answer 3. Question number 9. How many continents are there in the world? A. 8, B. 7, C. 9, D. 6. Answer 7. Question number 10. Which is the tallest animal? A. Giraffe, B. Zebra, C. Horse, D. Camel. Answer giraffe. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you again in next video. Bye.